we're gonna taste this. Okay, first we're taste this. Okay. The round 2. Hindi, wait lang. The round 4 is this. Yeah. So awesome. Yeah. Kaya namin magtagalog. And, hindi. Ito pa lang siya. Round 2. This. Okay, wait. Wait a minute. I gotta open it. Sa akin usog. Pag jogging ka dito. Okay, it's open now. Okay, wait. Okay, it's open. Okay, now we're gonna taste this level 2. There you go. Okay, this is mine. There, you can see. You can see the bubble gum. You want? Huwag mo ululunok yun ah. Bubble gum yan. This is mine. Okay, guys. And it's so good. Yeah. This one is mine. This one is mine. Yummy. Okay. Round level this one. Level 3. We're gonna taste. Oh, look that. There's a dog food. Wait. Here you go. Okay, this is the dog food. Yeah, the dog food. But this is a candy. Look. Oh wait. Okay, let's try. Look at the candy. It looks like a food dog. Yeah. And this one is mine. Okay, get yours. Look, we're gonna taste. Wait a minute. Okay, let's reading. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's so no reaction. No, let's just put it here. And level 3. This one. Level 4. Alis yan. Level 4. Level 4. No, level 3. Level 3. Level 3. Level 3, oh. Yeah. Oh, level 4, level 5. No. Level 4. Okay, let's taste. Look mo. Look mo to. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Look. Oh, diba? 1, 2. Level 3. Let's taste. Let's taste. Taste it. Oh. Wait. Let's taste the heart. The heart muna. Pink na lang muna. Let's try the pink one. First. Uy, ako muna. Gusto ko pink. Wait lang. Blue sa kanya. Kagat. Oh. One more. Oh. Parang tapod niya. Ako nakakain na ako guys neto. Oh, another one. Oh! Suka. Ma! Ma, nagsuka si Zach! Okay, we're gonna put this. Mamaya na yan, guys. Okay, the level 3. No, level 4. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Level 4. This is so really sour. Yeah, so sour. Here. Okay. Wow, matagal pa siya mapapanis. Dahil 2025 pa lang. Wow! Matagal pa siya magpanis. Apo. Ma, ayun na Ate Adi. Kinatry ko, may kukuha ko. Hindi ko nila. It's so hard to open. Yeah. Okay. So wait. Hard. It's so. Okay, we just ate this one. We ate this one. We already ate this one. Ay, kasama ko pala yung lollipop. So level 5 na to, guys. Level 5? Yeah, kumuha ka dito. Okay. Sak, wag kang kakain na to, ah. Oh, this is sour. Oh no, babala ko na. I'm just gonna taste it here. Okay. Look at mine. I cannot do that. It's so sour. Yeah, me. Look at me. Okay, 1, 2, 3 lang. Oh my. No. Siyempre, onti lang ang kinuha mo, kaya hindi maasim. Look at her face. Guys, tangi ano Besh? This little bit sour. Yeah, and this one not sour, and the lollipop not too. But this is so sour. So, kainin ko yung hard copy dyan. Yan. Okay, kainin ko yung madiliit. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.